This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at one of the stocks that is leading the market in terms of percentage gain for today, being July 7th, 2020. And we can see the stock that we are discussing or going to be discussing is NVAX. Right now it is up about 30 to 29%, give or take, as you can see right here. So currently up about 28%. And just want to discuss the idea that when a momentum stock is moving, as we can see here on the daily chart, if we take a look at the breakout levels that are clear and obvious, there's a breakout level here, there's a breakout level here, a breakout level here. We can even say that was a breakout and that was another breakout. So stocks are going to give you ample opportunity to capture some of the swing trades to the upside, and if you have an appetite to hold, then you could be holding on to enjoy some of these big moves. And in fact, we can even say there was another breakout as of today. So lots of opportunities, and a great momentum stock or instrument or sector is going to give you many entry levels. So don't give up on a stock just because it's already moved. Track it for the next potential breakout. Now here in a bit, I'm going to show you on the monthly chart why I sent out a breakout alert here for paid Muathe.com subscribers, and another alert was sent somewhere here in the mid 40s. So let's take a look at the weekly chart first. Oh, by the way, this is where I mentioned the two names. Again, for paid subscribers, we can see April 1st, 2020, and another premium alert was sent for June 9th, 2020. And we can see this clearly on the monthly chart. Let's take a look at the weekly though first. And we can see on the weekly the levels that I sent that breakout alert to paid subscribers was this breakout right here. And there was another one to capture the breakout, I believe was this level here. So there was another breakout that was sent, breakout alert that was sent somewhere here. And as I said, the monthly chart, by the way, let's not trivialize why the stock is moving. Again, we can see it has been holding with superior strength above RSI 69.1. And this is one of the reasons why it continues to pick up momentum. This is a characteristic of an instrument that is holding above RSI 69.1. And again, for this video, I want to discuss that this stock has been giving many breakout levels. All of these are breakout entries. And if you are tracking every pullback, you can avail yourself to some of these multiple opportunities for a swing trade in the right direction. If you take a look at the monthly, it is also important to understand the reason why this was on our watch list as a breakout candidate is because it met the minimum requirements from the very onset when it broke out in April right here. Clearly, we can see that the RSI was breaking out to 3-year highs, and the MACDs were moving to 3-year highs. And this is in April, and this is the reason why the stock has been gaining momentum, and especially after and the RSI did finally move above 69.1 on this monthly time frame. You can see that momentum has pretty much been reflecting that superior strength of the RSI. So again, for this video, just want to emphasize that stocks that are doing great and are going to be doing great are going to give you ample opportunity. There's a lot of opportunities here to have captured some of these breakouts, either on the daily, either on the weekly, or on the monthly. Each breakout is definitely valid if the stock meets the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love and light, light and love. Namaste.